So me and Boogie, we're on the way to Darek from Customs, but we had to stop in the middle just to do one thing. It says cold vodka. This is the city called Cold Vodka. So, welcome in episode 4 of my 1UZ MIATA build. We are in a city called Cold Vodka. Okay, so we are back at Drone Customs and Darek is making the bush bar now. He's cutting the plates to mount it. And me and my guy Boogie here, we're gonna change the gearbox because a lot of you were saying that my Gearbox gearbox that we bought is not gonna last the V8, so we bought a ZF gearbox, and now we're gonna change the old one to the new one. So usually when you wanna take the gearbox out, the worst bolts to take out are the ones on the top of the gearbox. But here we're not gonna have this problem because they're here, so we can unscrew them from the inside of the car. What we have now is them two plates. This is the plate that Darek welded the nuts to, and this one's going to be welded to the frame. And then this one will be connected to the bush bar. To jaki jest plan teraz, Damian?
Jaki plan?
No, co będziecie robić?
Żeby to wyjechało tak do 3 miesięcy.
Ale nie, na dzisiaj.
A dzisiaj będziemy montować interkuler i przymocowania będziemy robili. Interkulera i chłodnicy wody mocowania.
Elegancko. So now we are making the gearbox mounts. The first step is to have these brackets. We're gonna get them welded to the body here from both sides. Then we're gonna connect them with this pipe here, and then from the pipe we're gonna have bushings right here to the gearbox. Weld maszyna. while Darek is working on the gearbox mount, me and Boogie, instead of just standing and looking, we are gonna take all the suspension out. Yeah. To stare. Wszystko było.
3 razy jedną rzecz robiliśmy, bo się nie nagrało.
Pół kilometra do gości.
Oh. So this is the final shape of a gearbox mount, and the plan now is to take out the gearbox, take out the engine, and have engine mounts, this mount, and a subframe, weld everything together. So we have the gearbox mount and the engine mounts ready to send to powder coating. And now the only thing that left for today is a bush bar, which we're gonna do now. Darek's gonna do it.
Słyszałeś tam też? Tak kurwa leciało, nie jest kurwa.
Jak 1.6?
Silnik by pojechał.
4.0. Strzedł. Nie, dawaj kierę, ale wiesz... Boogie, don't crash, please.
This is bush bar and this need to fit
Here. And to fit here, we need to cut it and bend it. And to bend it, we're gonna use tube bender.